Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 15 and today I will show you how we can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice and look for the Do Not Disturb mode. Now chances are it might not be added by default, which looks to be the case for me. So we're going to click right here on this edit button and then you want to navigate down and locate your Do Not Disturb mode, which should be somewhere here. There it is for me. It's labeled as DND, short for Do Not Disturb. I'm going to grab it by holding it and drag it to the top, drop it, click on done, and now it should be available to you on one of the pages right here. So for me, it's now right over here. Now you can either tap on it right now to turn it on, or you can hold it and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can check how it is set by default under the Do Not Disturb, and here we have the options. So whenever you want to enable it, you can just tap on it like so, and you can then tap on it later on again to turn it off. So with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.